you go. Is this one of the three waters?
Wait, what are the three waters?
Good question. Let's explain it.
Here in Taupo, our council looks after three waters.
Wastewater, stormwater, and drinking water.
Drinking water comes out of our taps.
We use it for cooking, drinking, the obvious one, and brushing our teeth.
The council makes sure our drinking water is clean and safe for us to use. Wastewater is the water that goes down the loo.
It also goes down the showers too.
It doesn't just disappear.
It gets processed at a wastewater treatment plant before going back into the environment, protecting our rivers and lakes.
Stormwater is rainwater
It runs off roofs, roads, and footpaths.
and soaks into the ground or our stormwater system.
Don't put anything down our drains, as what goes in there ends up in our waterways, our lakes, rivers, and streams.
Water is precious!
And we can all help protect it, because looking after our water helps keep Taupo awesome!